Good morning everyone. Happy Monday. It's breakfast time. May pandesal. So, order to sa taga Ellsbury. Shout out to Londa. Subok na, masarap talaga yung pandesal. Then I got fried eggs. Ugly. Sama ang pagkaka-fry ko sa kanya. So, look at that. Pandesal. Then, breakfast is not complete without coffee. Okay. So, kaya siguro ng buo. I want one whole egg there. No salt, no pepper. Then, ketchup. Kayo, what did you eat for breakfast, or what are you having for breakfast on Monday morning? First bite. Thank you, Lord. Masarap. Sa fried eggs, gusto ko, I prefer yung lutong-luto. I don't want runny eggs. Even sa boiled eggs, gusto ko talaga yung yolk niya lutong-luto. But at the end of the day, it's your preference anyway. Yun lang sa akin. More ketchup. What is your plan for today? Monday, it's the 7th of October. So, kaming mga Katoliko, we are celebrating the Feast of the Most Holy Rosary. So those who can relate, we need to say Rosary today, anytime today, which we normally do anyway every day. Shout out sa aking bayan Sinilangan, Rosario, Batangas, kasi it's town fiesta. So happy fiesta sa Rosario, Batangas, at happy fiesta sa lahat ng mga bayan, town, or barrios na nagse-celebrate ng fiesta today. Enjoy your day. Don't forget to visit the church, attend the mass, say the rosary, or even kung ano yung form of prayers mo na ginagawa. Just continue. So, itong pandesal, yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 12 pieces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 10 pieces for 6 pounds. He said, breakfast is not complete without coffee. Oh. Thank you very much and have a good day. Enjoy the rest of your day. Keep safe at all times. And yeah, thanks for watching. See you later. Bye.